Hey guys, it's Azalea. So I just got home from work, so yeah, and I'm like having one of those days where my face is just very plain. And my hair is up, which I hardly ever wear it up, so whatever. But today I'm doing February 2018's BULU box. I'm in a box like this. So I loved this box, like I love it. It's always so crazy. Like the things they give you are insane. Like not I mean, I love pretty much most of the things I get in it, not everything, but that's kind of to be expected. Like, one time I did get this, like, lavender face oil that retailed for like $60 or $80 in a box that I pay $6 for this box a month. So, for a box like that, and what's cool with them too is like when you use the promo codes, I use my sub $5.99, and that's what they are. Or $5.99. There's no like dot. But they keep that to be your price for the whole, like, the longevity, the lifetime of your subscription. So it's kind of cool that they do that. So I do have two right here because I did. So they have a, like, health box, and then they have one for weight loss. So I'd gotten the health one for like 3 months, I think. Yeah, maybe. I think so. And then I just added the weight loss one because I thought, well, like, that'll be interesting to see. And I love their box, so why wouldn't I love getting two boxes? And yeah, like I say, I do usually like open them and check because I have like no patience. I can't just like wait and be like, I'll like unbox it for real, like right in front of everyone. No, I like to see what's in it. And to be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed because considering they're two different boxes, like a health and wellness and a weight loss, you would think they'd be really different, but they're not. There's like one thing that's different, and it's really disappointing what's different too. So, yeah, but I mean, I do love their box. I'm not gonna cancel it because I like it, and who knows, like, there could be really great stuff in here. So you open it up, they have their say hello to your box. They always have this really pretty blue tissue paper, which I love. It contrasts so well with their orange. So say hello to your samples. You can get more, like before sampling, get more information at bulu.com/mybox. You can review your samples for a chance to win a $150 gift card that you can spend on full-size products. And then just like some other stuff on there. Then they have this Zollipops and Zaffy Taffy are delicious after you eat treats for a healthy smile, created by a 12-year-old kidpreneur, Alina Morse. Interesting. So like a 12-year-old created this. Weird and cool. They're sugar-free and made with smile-friendly natural ingredients to leave your teeth feeling smooth and clean and freshen your breath. They help raise the pH to neutralize the acid in your mouth after a meal and reduce the risk of old decay, helping teeth remineralize and get stronger faster. They have been featured in GMA, Shark Tank, The Steve Harvey Show, NBC, Washington Post, Forbes, Yahoo, Inc., Entrepreneur, and other national media. See the videos at www.zollipops.com. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, cool. Then you have a buy one free bag of, or get one free bag of. Oh, cool. Nice. Ask manager at your retailer for Zollipops. Huh. Valid on any bag that's 3 to 5.2 ounce bags. Cool. That's kind of interesting, I guess. I don't know. I'm not sure what I really think of these, to be honest, but that is kind of interesting. I work with kids, so maybe they'll like them. Alright, next I have this Syndrin Complete Joint Health. And then they give you like all these coupons, so you'll get coupons for stuff, which is kind of nice if you really like this stuff. And they tell you like the retailers, they tell you about it. And next we have this Resi pre and post workout options, and then they have 8 quality ingredients like red leaf spinach, aronia berry, I don't know what that is, red beets, curcumin, I don't know. Hyaluronic acid, which is kind of interesting because that's like really nice for your face. Like it totally takes out signs of aging. I love it. Ginger, L-arginine, and mango. Cons: low carb source, no fat source, no protein source, no building blocks for muscle growth. You can get a 20% off your next purchase. And then the pros are: it's easy to digest, non-allergenic, contains vasodilating ingredients for efficient blood flow, delivers inflammation fighters to areas needed, promotes fascia recovery, addresses whole body inflammation, provides antioxidant support, nitric oxidized precursors, important for recovery. Interesting. I've never even heard of this. So let's get into the actual box part. So then you get a whole bottle of this, which is kind of crazy. And you have 42 things in here. So 14 servings in this bottle, which is still like a pretty big size, especially considering it paid $6 for this box. Alright, next thing we have is this sport tea. It's a green tea with vitamin C, electrolytes, and Siberian eleutherio, right? It is a stress fighter, energizer, and a diet drink. It's kind of interesting. I love tea, so I'm excited about that. That's what like the tea bag looks like. Like it looks like tea. So yeah, this one I'm kind of excited about because I have trouble sleeping. And it's Night Clear Sleep Aid. It's diphenhydramine. Sorry, I don't know how to say HCl. Nighttime sleep aid. And this bottle is 1 dose. Weird. For ages 12 and up. This looks like big. I don't know. Interesting. It's kind of cool. It's like a liquid form. Alright, next up is, okay, so this is the only difference in the box, is that this one has this, which is a liquid energy Panax ginseng, safe, quick, smooth energy, ready to drink coffee flavor. Real coffee flavor. What? Why would you just not drink coffee then? Weird. Okay, sorry. Anyway, maybe it's really good. It has B vitamins. So it's like coffee mixed with vitamins, I guess. Shake well, no mixing required, ready to drink straight from the pouch. It is really pretty looking, but like when I saw this, I wouldn't have thought it was like coffee flavored. Interesting. So yeah, so I have gotten one of these before. I haven't tried it, but I'm not really, I don't know, ain't super excited about it. Plus, I don't like caffeine too much, so I don't know. And I don't even know if it tells, oh, it probably has to. I don't know, guys. I don't know if it even tells you how much caffeine is in it. Unless there's no caffeine, which would be interesting. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. Great for people on the go, late shifts, musicians, studying, joggers, athletes, anyone who wants to feel the power and be their very best. Goes anywhere you need fast acting energy with vitamins and ginseng. Weird. So maybe this doesn't have caffeine. Because it has no, like, nothing about the caffeine on the packet, but maybe the packet doesn't tell you everything there. So that's that. That's what I'm kind of wish I had the other thing, which I'll show you later. But yeah. So then we have this Seaweed Bath Company shampoo and conditioner for normal to oily hair. And it's in eucalyptus peppermint. Nice. I'm not like a huge fan of shampoo, like foil packet samples, just because my hair is long, like, and thick, and like this is like maybe half a shampoo, so I can never even get a feel for it if I even like it. But I do have 2 of these because of the 2 boxes, so who knows? Maybe I will fall in love with this. I do like the Seaweed Bath Company though. I do. That's what that looks like. Alright, so then these Zollipops, which I got 4 in each box, so that's kind of like a nice sample. This is like what they look like, so yeah, they don't tell you flavors. Maybe I'll like try this one of these purpley ones, show you guys what it tastes like. It's like slightly sweet. I feel like I should like, I don't know. Honestly, it doesn't even, like it tastes sweet, but it doesn't have a distinct flavor. Like, I don't know, maybe berry. This one doesn't either. Like, I thought this one would be lemon flavored for sure. But honestly, they kind of just taste like you're eating like a weird flavored sugar. And they almost taste herby-ish. I don't know. They're interesting. I don't even know. I don't know if my teeth feel cleaner or just normal. I don't know. But obviously I didn't finish a whole sucker either. Alright, so yeah, so that was the first box. Now I'm just gonna like go through this one pretty fast since they are pretty much identical, like honestly. So again, you open it up, little thing, surprise, you have these. Another like one of these things, say hello to your box, exactly the same. One of these things again. You don't have this one, which honestly I don't even know why it has this, because you didn't even get anything from here. So I don't know why they would throw that in there, but they did. And then this thing again with the free bag of Zollipops. Alright, so again, you have the tea, shampoo and conditioner, the whole, this immunity thing, or sorry, it's complete joint health triple action immunodrin. But yeah, interesting it has hyaluronic acid. And it has calories, what? It has 16 calories in 3 of these pills. Weird. Black pepper extract, basil extract, turmeric is good for you though, I know that. Glucosamine, interesting. Doesn't really seem to have anything bad for you in it, or like bad. Interesting. Another one of those sleep aids. Guys, these are still so cold from being outside. Oh, interesting. So, I feel like these might be different colors. I mean, the yellow is obviously the same, but look at that. Can you even tell? Yeah, see, they're different. So you got kind of different flavors in this batch. But, yeah, same. I feel like, I don't know. I thought I saw something, maybe I'm going crazy. But yeah, more of those Lollipop suckers. Now, for the big difference. These are vital for you vitamins. They have a vitamin A, which must be this, maybe. A B complex, a C complex, and a power complex with vitamin D, K, C, and calcium. So, oh, then they have minerals. All minerals are critical for proper body functions, ranging from body metabolism to bone health. Lecithin, which is found in soybeans, egg yolks, and supports healthy cholesterol levels and help with the immune system, and then an herbal complex. help support mental sharpness and focus, and also with the mood and stress. Then in here, it's seriously the exact same thing as this, but smaller. And then it has all the ingredients on the back. But yeah, so I wish I'd gotten this twice instead of this, even though it would make them the exact same box. And honestly, I couldn't even tell you which is just for health and which is for weight loss. Like, would this one be for weight loss because it has the energy thing? I don't know. I don't know. Like, I don't find any of these particularly for weight loss because this is in both for health and weight loss. And yeah, I'm just not sure. And so you get 1, 2, 3, 6 different things to try in each box. So basically, I'm paying like $1 per thing, which is fine. Like, and this I'm so like this I really am excited for. So yeah, that's why I'm disappointed and wish I'd gotten 2 of these, or wish the boxes were super different and not almost identical. But like I said, I do like BULU box a lot. I love it. It's seriously one of my favorite boxes, which is why like when I'm disappointed about it, it's like more sad. But yeah, it's cool. They do give you full size things, which is really cool. Although I wonder if this is like not exactly a full size since it's only like 3 weeks. I mean, 2 weeks. And maybe a full bottle would have more, but like why would you complain about getting to try something for 2 weeks and see if you like it? So yeah, that is my BULU box for February 2018. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching me. I know the lighting. I was like hoping I'd get the video with a little less darkness outside, but it's getting dark, and so this lighting like definitely helps with everything too. So sorry. But yeah, thank you for watching me, Azalea. I hope you did enjoy these videos. They're really long. I didn't think it would be this long, so sorry about that. But yeah, thank you. Have a great night or evening and month. Bye. See you next time.